Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Zoho Show application on Windows. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Zoho Show download and press enter. You'll get this first link, create and deliver presentations in Mac and Windows. You to select this link. So this is the official website, zoho.com show desktop apps.html. It's the URL. Okay, over here you will get to see this page. So bring your presentations home with the Zoho Show's desktop app. Okay, so this Zoho Show application, it is a software from zoho.com. It allows you to create, edit and collaborate and present slide decks directly from the web browser or the mobile app. This application helps you to create presentations. Okay, you can import and edit PowerPoint files. This is the interface how it will look. Okay, now you can work offline as well with this software, so no need of internet. You can create new decks or pick up where you left off, and everything gets updated automatically when you're back online. So you can work even in offline mode using the software. You don't need to have an account to use the software. Teamwork now on your desktop, so you can collaborate with your team in real time, share decks, co-edit and leave suggestions on presentations directly from your desktop. You can switch between devices without missing a bit, like you can create presentations on your desktop and continue working on them from your mobile device or the browser. So it's seamless, effortless and always in sync. And it is supported on Apple, Windows as well as Android operating system. Okay, so let's download this for Windows. I'll click on this link, get it from Microsoft. You'll get the download button over here. Click on it. You can also view it in Microsoft Store and you can download from there. But now I have selected this download button. It will download the setup file, then click on open. So now it has started downloading Zoho Show presentation maker software. So once the download is complete, it is going to start on its own. So it is going to give you a screen, welcome to Zoho. Okay, now you can start instantly by creating presentation. You can sign in or sign up if you have an account. I'll just click on create presentation. So this application Zoho Show, okay, it is an alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. If you don't have a Microsoft PowerPoint and Slides, and you can use the software as an alternative to it. So this is the theme section. You can select the theme. Okay, over here it's a template and slides. We'll go back to theme. You can get different layouts and click on create. I'm going to select this white blank. Create, you can click to add title. Okay, on the left hand side you can manage your slides, you can add new slide. Okay, over here you get the menus, the layout, you can change the layout, undo, redo button. Okay, then cut, copy, paste. Over here you can insert text, media, shapes, insert data art. Okay, diagram and different plugins. You can also play the slide. Okay, on the right hand side you get a menu for slide themes and slideshow. You can manage. Over here you get different options for animation. You can animate your presentation, then review. You can add comments to it. Over here you can manage zoom level, and over here you get the tools. Here you can change the view, normal view, master view and sorted view. Okay, you can name your presentation. Okay, you can sign in to access all the features. Over here once you're signed in, you can see your profile details over here. So that's how the interface of Zoho Show application looks. You can search for Zoho Show once it is installed. If you click on the search and type Zoho space show, you'll get this app icon. You can click on open. And this is going to launch Zoho Show software. Okay. So I'll close this for now. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.